Good day, I'm John Clarence Amicono and this is for PatFit 0103 under Sir Sager. And before we start, I would like to identify first the 3 common mistakes that I did during our pickleball game and practices. So first is yung how I serve the ball. Second is yung footworks. And yung third is yung distance between sa amin nung nakakalaro ko. So, next step is I will try to act it yung mga mali kong nagagawa during our PatFit sessions. So, first is yung pagsuserve. Ang common mistake na ginagawa ko sa pagsuserve is ini-scoop ko yung ball. Kaya, it's either hindi straight yung tira or hindi napupunta dun sa opponent since bumabalik lang sa akin yung bola. And kung hindi man bumabalik, pataas yung bola. So let me give you an example. So ganun, yung first serve ko is parating pa-scoop yung bigay ko sa bola. Second naman is yung footworks. Yung footworks ko parating mali since parati siyang yung both legs ko parating nakatiklop, which is hindi dapat. And ang nakatiklop lang dapat during pagsuserve or kumukuha ng bola is yung feet, yung foot na naka-forward parate. So I'll try to act that. Ganito yung common mistake na ginagawa ko pag sa footworks. Parating naka-bend parehas, which is dapat yung isa lang. Next naman is yung distance ng opponent or yung nakakalaro ko. Pag masyadong malayo, hindi nakukuha yung bola at hindi nila nakukuha or hindi ko din nasa-serve ng maayos. And pag minsan naman, pag sobrang lapit, hindi nila swak na nakukuha yung bola and lumalagpas parate sa pickleball na ginagamit nila. So yung proposed solution ko for first na ginawa ko is dapat hindi gaano mabigat yung hawak mo dun sa racket. Dapat magaan lang and hindi mo dapat pinipuwersa parate at hindi ka gigil para masaserve mo siya ng maayos and pa-straight sa opponent mo. Second naman, yung sa legs. Parati kong tinatandaan is yung dapat itong leg na to parati siyang nakabend pag magsaserve, hindi parehas. And yung third naman, parati kong tinatandaan is that kapag maglalaro, make sure na yung layo namin ng opponent sa isa't isa is hindi gaano para nakukuha and nasa-serve ko din sa kanya yung bola and reverse lang para tuloy-tuloy yung game namin dalawa or ng between group. So yun lang naman for the common mistakes na nagagawa ko during pickleball and may proposed solution. Thank you!